An old laptop does not have to feel hopelessly slow. In this video, we will explain how to speed up an old laptop with Windows. With the right changes, you can make aging hardware feel responsive again. The single most effective upgrade is replacing an old mechanical hard drive with a solid-state drive, which transforms speed dramatically. If possible, adding more RAM also makes a big difference for multitasking. On the software side, start by disabling unnecessary startup programs in the task manager, so fewer apps load when you boot. Turn off visual effects by searching for performance settings and choosing to adjust for best performance, removing animations that old machines struggle with. Uninstall programs you no longer use to free space and resources. Limit background apps in your settings to save memory. Use a lightweight browser and keep open tabs to a minimum, since browsers are often the heaviest programs. Clean up disk space regularly with Storage Sense. Run a malware scan, as infections drag down performance. Keep Windows and drivers updated for efficiency. Disable search indexing if it is slowing things. Combining a hardware upgrade with these software tweaks can make an old laptop feel years younger, saving you the cost of a new machine.